I know I can't afford to stop for one moment. That is too soon to forget.
We buy guns, that figure shop pussy, Max and Glocks and Uzi. Tell some rookie them can't chat to me. Yo, 6 bars, what you say?
One them once, me now one them twice. Pull up on the block and clap him and slide. Top of them lift up curry and rice. What a bad choice.
In a wife girl from she herself up. 50K spend for me in a nightclub. Dogs them pull a foot, come and sell drugs. Yeah, figure spin papa make he head bounce.
Things them connect like say a spectrum. Pussy them salt like say a Epsom. About the man, them all of them for come.
Nothing gets between me and my AK.
Alright guys, so before we get any further into this vlog, today's video is sponsored by none other than Teemo. Huge thanks to them for making this huge milestone possible, must say, but I'm certainly not the only person benefiting from this, because as a part of their 3-year anniversary, Teemo and I are partnered together to give you all the chance to win up to $100 cash back with any order made from their site by simply typing in my code KCS5353 into the search bar with the link in my description. So this promotion is currently valid for any product store-wide that you've either had your eyes set on or have been thinking about getting for as little as a family or a friend. Obviously, being a car guy like myself, I would quicker steer towards things like my personal favorite, ambient lighting or a car battery jumper for convenience. Alright guys, so don't forget the code. It's KCS5353 if you would like to win up to $100 cash back with any purchase made from their site. Back to the video. So this is how we looking on the road to Tobago. Unfortunately, this car viral jet oil can't make it, so yeah, let's stay home, man. Sorry. Look damn good though. Big up Danny. Ray Auto Detailing, and my next boy, I forget the business name. I want to call the papa name.
Yo, Dre.
Let's see we make it to the usual stop. Racehouse gas station. So all over there's what he grabs on him. But no, yeah. Look, you understand in the back that he don't want to scrape off.
Is that? You say you're taken. Need you for myself, yeah. Say you're taken. Never expect you to say nothing else. Why the f*** you have to look so good? Them beauty unusual, you sold my soul when I turn around, I'm a seer. I'm so into you. Me a picture you. Steer pa me like that and a lick. But you're taken.
Digital, I don't know, but I ain't even catch the interaction.
You're taken. So sexy. You look so good. taken. Why? Careful, look so good.
Red society, right? Yeah. They're right here.
I'm so f***ing in you. Your voice have a sound more, yeah, your sound when you turn around, I'm a gear. But you're taken. You're taken.
Special was handing to all my soldiers over there in Iraq. Everybody right here. What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey, that's right.
Let me see, we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell me where it'll take ya, just live your life. 'Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they ungrateful after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you cats to get paid today. Still be wasting days away now had I never saved the day. Consider them my protege, how much I think they should pay. Instead of being gracious, they violate in a major way. I never been a hater, still I love them in a crazy way. Some say they sold the yay and know they couldn't get work on Labor Day. It ain't that black and white, it has an area that's shaded gray. I'm west side anyway, even if I left today and stayed away. Some move away to make a way.
Course in a 910 could not come across way, but that oil it was too bad. But I've been too much harassed to bring that car, and plus it wasn't really ready. But I feel I wanna come back across for one day for the King of the Hill, whatever the kid is called, just that'll be mood right now.
You steady chasing that paper, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life. 'Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
I'm the opposite of moderate, immaculately polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a college kid. Allergic to the counterfeit, impartial to the politics, articulate, but still a grab a nigga by the collar quick. Whoever having problems with their record sales, just holler tip. If that don't work and all else fast, then turn around and follow tip. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame, and rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering, back and forth with the arguing. Where you from, who you know, what you making, what kind of car you in. Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing them checks into your bank account and you up out of poverty. Your values is in disarray, prioritizing horribly. Unhappy with the riches cause you're piss poor morally. Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we mighty full of ourselves all of a sudden, aren't we? That's right.
You steady chasing that backfire, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. No telling where it'll take you, just live your life. Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
Hey, hey, plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to cut my other little bitch off. Ooh, 50K, you could come and book a nigga for a plug walk. You can reach me, space coupe like E.T. It's the plug tryna call me. I was up chopping early in the morning. Ooh, on the wave like a durag. Pussy nigga calling for his boo bag. Plug walk, Gucci on my shoe racks. Walk up in the house till I ran into the plug. Till I ran into the mud. I done ran into some racks. I done ran into your girl. Why the plug show me love? I done came up from a dub. Plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to cut my other little bitch off. Ooh, 50K, you could come and book a nigga for a plug walk. Big ol' Bentley, it's a spaceship. Call me on my phone, I don't say shit. I make money when I talk. I'm a boss, take a loss. I can introduce you to the plug. Bitches say no Henny in my cup. Stay down, now the racks up. She gon' let me fuck ass up. Plug, I stuck keys in the Louis V. Fuck 12, I'm a G, ain't no stopping me. And my wrist is on overseas. Rich nigga, you can talk to me. Plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to cut my other little bitch off. Ooh, 50K, you could come and book a nigga for a plug walk.
Y'all counted us out. Come on now. While we was counting down, whoever was scared. I'm talking about whoever was scared when he went to the Fed. Go on, make your bed. You hear me? Cause the biggest is back. Now, come on now, son. You walk that walk. And you talk that gangster shit, man. And you tell them people what I be telling you. Go in that booth and rip that bitch.
Pussy nigga. Hey, FDO, FTL, first day out, bitch. Fuck the feds, walked out.
Right now we're trying to make up your mind where it is we're going next. It's looking like if we're going on by the mall. See, I like the tune all day.
They come put that pussy on me, bitch. I'm fresh from out the feds. I say fresh from out the feds, baby. Come put that pussy on me. Turned this fuck in the strip club, ran out of one, start throwing hundreds. Nigga, I can't fumble shit. The whole world been waiting on it. Took that knife all the way to R&D, gave it to my little homie. Nigga, ain't no more Mufasa, Mr. Goldman. I catch just the Johnny. Ain't no more
outfits from Southland Mall. They set up made in London. Couple hoes jumped off my bed, majority waited on me. She just acting faithful to you till I get home. Trust me, homie, feeling patient. I might do a demonstration off GP. I ain't shot nothing in like 4 years. I ain't sent a hit in 3. Don't let dirt verse go to your head. Ain't nobody slime as me. I'm the one from around the corner where they snake Martin Luther King. Extra aggressive out in traffic, cause Hank ain't in the back seat. Everywhere I go, it's cars trailing, cause reckless ain't driving me. I get mad when I look around and my members ain't what they supposed to be.
So when them boys got the money out, I'm going nobody more. So, yo, that's all your boy now already getting here.
30, pass me that Drake. Your bitch ass out my face. Unfortunately, I'm CEO and the top shooter for my game. My grandma told me keep my grass low the whole time I'm the snake. Smelled this plot from like 3 miles away. He can't out snake a snake. I ain't choose the streets, they chose me. Stepping on shit my lane. I ain't choose the rap, it chose me. My name held too much weight. Type influence, I got where I'm from. Got your guy that told the Drake. When you meet me, you gon' get real motivated. Same day, them teardrops play it out. Go get your favorite bullet on your face. Do not rap when I am told. I rap when I got shit to say. SF90, I'm allergic to Corvettes. Fuck a C8. This a F8, not a C8, nigga. Mastery edition. In the May. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil edition? In the Ray, wide body, color and black badge edition. In the same scat pack since I left, that mean you stuck, little nigga. We all on the race to the top. These niggas stuck, can't get no bigger. I got Richard while in jail, locked in the feds, out doing niggas. Now my watch got on the watch, my chain got more chain than you niggas. Ain't no such thing as real niggas, but I'm damn sure ain't counterfeit. Hit 10 M's in the bank, then when Fed got penitentiary. Ordering Ferraris off a jail call on real rich. Make sure she cover my name up if you plan on keeping the bitch. I signed the deal and went to jail, they ain't even seen me pop my shit. I'm just now buying the chain, they say my name, I been bullshitting. My niggas die while in chains, get back gang, I'm right back for revenge. Hey, I'm just way more colder. Every 8 hours I'm changing fits. Every 7 I change the bitch. Number forms when we change lanes. Good poet, all these Jews I drop, how you ain't make a change? He ain't dead, but I got niggas in the fed smoking Lil Wayne. Soon I see my Memphis homies. Hey man, say man, I had 9M to my name, making cheese out your bangs. Reorganize my whole gang. On Sundays we work on our aim. And every month on the 13th I'm bopping out with a new chain. I heard street niggas getting tummy tuck. Told you these rapper lame. In my cell I did 1,000 burpees. I toned up my frame. 50 suit on, 50 cap turned backwards. Rich and middle plane. Them steppers who got them served. They wasn't doing it for the saints. See my dad in my first code D jumped in the streets. He showed me lanes. Your daddy a killer, but you ain't. You just like Bronny James. I asked her where she want my kids. She told me grab the brush and paint. So I ain't right at her forehead and tried to spell out my name. I got locked, nigga dropped $1 million worth salt around my game. Please tell me that shit fell about they pocket skinny, man. Please tell these rap niggas saying brr without permission that they stealing. Memphis minutes, kids say no to drugs and they on right to killing. She choose but her lips ain't move. I read her eyes, they said pimp. See, bae, I'm least likely some pimping, but I'm more likely a bastard. Super shiesty, crooked letter, David Banner. In the trap feeling like old dog watching hits I did on camera. Out on papers with a 922 G sitting on my counter. I'm out on papers with a full of ARP sitting on the counter. Hey, you think you got more shots than CG? Come and try your luck. You ain't never bought no crate or no grenade. Shut the fuck up. I just ordered a gun store. Nobody ain't got more chop than us. 901-375-0762. Call my bluff. I treat a player like a player and a custo like a clock. You need to treat your glizzy like a collar shirt and button it up. I treat gangsters like civilians. I treat smart niggas like ducks. Long story short, short story shorter, nigga. I cannot be touched. Can I slip up? Can't get on bush. Can't go outside. Can't get out far. I seek to see girl on the op. She left for her tag in his glove box.